First addition to the inventory here is a 2007 Mercedes-Benz GL 450. Stock number is 8270. It's got a 4.7 automatic. What else? This is a off-road setup. Okay, as you can see, the thing was hitting the left front. Took out pretty much of the nose. We do got a right side fender and a right side halogen headlight. It's an HID setup, I'm sorry. Okay, got two right side doors, power window, power locks, silver in color. Okay, paint code on this vehicle is 775. Right side mirror is no good, as you can see. You do got a right side quarter. Okay, you got a privacy quarter window. Right side, those are movable quarter windows. Okay, you got the roof rack with the crossbars. Okay, rear bumper is no good. You got a reinforcement. You do got a right rear tail light here. Okay. You got the 19-inch wheels. They consider these 10-spoke. You only got 3 of them. They're nice and clean. Okay, here's your left rear tail light. Good shape. Here's your left rear quarter glass. Left rear door's no good, so you got an outside handle in chrome and silver. You got an inside handle in chrome. You do have the both left side door glasses, privacy tint. Got the door glass and the vent glass. You do have the both suspensions, left and right. This is airbags, airbag suspensions. So we do have the air pump. All right, inside the vehicle here, you do got the rear seats. Okay, this is the second row seats, and you also got the third row. These are it's like a 50-50 split. Those are power seats back there. You do pretty good. Okay, both front seats, black leather, power. Heated memory. I've got the DVDs, as you can see right there. Okay, there's your inside door handle. Left rear in chrome. Okay, there's your seats. They got the memory. They're heated, the whole bit. Center console's there. Steering column. Tilt, cruise, delay, all that nonsense. It's got a blown bag, as you can see. Okay. Right, there's your heated controls. This is 3-zone. And there's your heated seats, electronic stability. It's got the hill descent. As you can see, there's the little car going over the bumps, which makes it off-road. The parking assist and the radio. The radio plays fine. We already tested it. Sorry you ain't got power to it. I'll show it to you. Hey, inside rear view. Do have both visors, gray cloth. There's your moonroof, the front one, and you got one sunroof in the back. Okay, I'll show you the motor in this thing. We didn't start this thing due to the fact of no keys. Okay, it's a 4.7 motor. Computer's right there. There's your fuse box, ABS, and that's it. Everything else is kind of wrecked in front. Alrighty. So again, no good. Okay, again, that is a. Oh, we do have the left front door glass, just so you know, and the window switches. We just took the door up so we can get in the car. Again, you got a whole lot of right side suspension. This is the airbag suspension again. Okay, we got the old little gingerbread for the motor, starter alternator, all that. The rack we got to check, but we may be used by one of the guys here. But then again, I think that's pretty much it on this. Again, 2007 Mercedes-Benz GL 450, stock number 8270, 4.7 automatic. It's a 4matic, which makes it a four-wheel drive, sort of, an all-wheel drive, whatever you want to say. Okay, 200,000 miles, right on the button. And a couple of pennies. So if you need anything from this thing, you can give us a call at 888-748-5924. It's Mo, Larry, Curly. Any one of us would be glad to help you with parts to this or anything else you may need. Business hours here is Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Sometimes we're here on Saturdays, and then when we are, it's 8 to 3 on Saturday. But give us a call on Friday, let us know. Or we'll let you know that we're going to be here or not. Okay, if you can't get us or you can't come down during the week, during business hours, you can get us on the internet 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 at allamericanautorecords.com. And that's it for this one. Okay, we got a couple more cars to do, but we're done for today. Take care, be good, ciao.